to install remote desktop on your Mac to connect into your cloud server from home or anywhere with an internet connection. The first thing you're going to do is go to the App Store and search for Microsoft Remote Desktop and download or install Microsoft Remote Desktop 10. Once that's installed on your device, you open up the connection center and click the little add button and add PC. From there you're going to be asked for the PC name. This is the usual server name that you will access from your office at the moment. So in this instance I'm going to choose our own one, which is office.denovobi.cloud. Yours will typically be company name.denovobi.cloud or .net. User account we're going to leave as ask when required, just for security reasons. We don't want to be saving the name of any user accounts onto this device. Friendly name, you can put in your company name or something memorable to know what connection is you're adding here, and then you click add. Once you're happy with that, just double click on the PC. It will ask you for your username and your usual password. Pop those in, click continue, then continue again on the security message, and you'll be logged into your usual cloud session. Good luck.